presenting a pre-owned 2014 Jaguar. This two-door convertible has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This Jaguar is a great value with less than 48,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.